Can I add up the time taken on tasks in a specific time period on Monday.com? You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open your Monday.com account and navigate to the board where your tasks are recorded. Make sure you have a time tracking column added to track time spent on each task. 2. Click on the Filters button at the top of your board. Select the date range you want to analyze, such as a specific week or month. This will filter only the tasks completed within that period. 3. Locate the time tracking column and click on the small drop-down arrow in the column header. Choose Summarize to view the total time logged for all filtered tasks. 4. If you need a detailed breakdown, click on the column summary bar at the bottom of the board. This will show you the cumulative time spent across all tasks within the selected period. 5. For more advanced tracking, integrate Monday.com with Excel or Google Sheets using the Export Board option. This allows you to perform deeper analysis using spreadsheets. 6. If you need an automated report, use Monday.com's dashboards. Add a time tracking widget, set the desired time frame, and it will display total hours worked in a visual format. 7. Save or schedule the dashboard report to get regular updates on the time spent on tasks within your selected time period. This helps in tracking productivity and planning future projects efficiently.